Everyone, today we're going to be trying out a little something different. We're going to use a microfiber cloth, any microfiber cloth, so it's not contaminated. These are new, but I'm going to see. I bought these myself, and I'm going to use one to wipe and one to dry. So I really want to see if this will work better. And I know there's some guys that are doing this already. So I just want to get your opinion on how you do it. Do you have a bucket? Like what's your process of doing it? You definitely have a better grip with the microfiber because of the volume of it, right? It's a lot thicker, so you got more to grab. And I don't know how many times people are using it. Maybe you can comment below. Put a comment there and see if you've tried this. What's your way of doing it? But I have a feeling I'm gonna like it because it feels nice because the microfiber grabs a lot. It grabs nice. Nice, nice, nice. Here I go again with the nice. I'm gonna wipe everything down. It sucks not having a mount on my helmet. I still have not figured out how I'm gonna do that. I'm guessing you're gonna have a Ziploc bag to maintain the microfiber cloth wet. I mean, the car should be very clean once you come in the booth. If you're getting rid of mud, and if you're like really cleaning the car inside the booth, then I think you gotta back it up a little bit. Back it up, and clean the car before it even comes in the booth with something else. And then you can just do your really final wipe with the microfibers system. But I like it because it doesn't get stuck to the panel, and at the same time it has a really nice grab, and you know that this is not going to live. It's not leaving any lint whatsoever. So it seems to be working now. I'm gonna paint it, and then I'll see if I have any issues with streaking or anything like that, but I doubt it. Okay, so I've been washing all week long. Well, that's Thursday, and since Monday, I think I've been using the same rag. Now, mind you, it's very important that you have the jobs clean here, right? You're basically just doing a final wipe. So if you need to do any other wiping, do it before you put it in the booth and make sure that these cloths are clean, right? So far, I've had no problems whatsoever, so I'm super happy. Because this will save money. In the long run, this will save a lot of money because for the shop, and there you go, adding value to the place you work at, right? Doesn't matter if you don't like your boss, doesn't matter if he hasn't given you a raise in a while. It's about you, it's about yourself. So this is adding value to the shop, which should add value to your own life, right? But anyways, so, wipe on with one, like I always teach you, and then wipe off. Super simple, and I just love that you kind of never lose a grip. Watch me lose a grip now. But you never lose a grip of the microfiber cloth, so it's really nice. And I feel like in your head, when you have a microfiber cloth, you're like on wiping mode, right? You're wiping mode, so you're wiping and you're wiping and you're wiping, and you're actually cleaning the car very well. And this could save hundreds of dollars a year on towels, and never mind the waste, right? So you're gonna get I believe that my paint jobs are cleaner, a little bit cleaner. If we can eliminate one dust, even one piece of dust, right? It's a lot better. If we can eliminate one piece of lint, it's a lot better. So there's, I mean, this doesn't leave any lint whatsoever. So, I mean, I painted maybe about in this booth on this side. I've probably done about 20 cars. Probably it's been a slow week, but I've probably done about 20 cars with this two rags, and I just, you know, keep the dirty one on one side and keep the clean one on the other, and always wipe on and wipe off. So you know what, it works really well. I don't know, some of the guys that use this method, can you please comment below so then we can give all the other guys some tips on how to do this really well, because I just started doing it and I think I'm going to continue doing it. And then how you go about washing them. Obviously you should not wash them at home. I don't think you should. Maybe go to a laundromat and get them washed at the end of the week, or you know, once a month or whatever. But you should always, I think, keep the dirty ones and the semi-clean ones separate, so then you'll be able to you know, keep things clean and separate. So anyways, just a little short video. I just wanted to tell you something new that I'm trying. All right, love you so much. God bless you. Like and comment, subscribe right now. Love you. Peace. God bless you. Oh, also, the Motivated Painters Walk-on blowers, have them all in stock now. So head over to motivatedpainters.com. I'm telling you, these blowers, they rock. The airflow that comes out of them is unbelievable. You can use them for like all kinds of things. I'm gonna make a dedicated video for them just to show you like the different things that you can do with them. But there it is. It's super lightweight, still fits in my pocket, and the airflow is amazing. It works really well to blowing cars off, even after prep. Like, it works amazing. And it's a lot safer than the pointier ones, right? Like, it's safe. Don't do that.